The bulky period of stacking confirmations, degree endorsements is finished. It used to be hugely incorporated. Assuming that they get lost or harmed, the results are unsalvageable. It may be the case that years after the fact, even the responsible foundation probably won't exist. Sharing these qualifications is likewise a mammoth errand, with these declarations being an actual structure. Subsequently, a carefully designed and exceptionally secure system was expected to help in putting away and re-establishing all information on the blockchain-empowered stage where in any event, exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Digibyte and comprehend the Digibyte cost expectation for what's in store. A seed thought that was conceptualized by a lead designer, Jared Tate. In 2014, Digibyte was brought to the front essentially to resolve these issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. Jared Tate is otherwise called Digiman. Beginning block was mined in 2014. With the foundation of blockchain and collecting on the advantages of decentralized finance, DeFi, Digibyte set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet to introduce something many refer to as SegWit. This interesting element connotes that data connected with exchanges will in general get accumulated independently and not among the other data on a similar block, consequently working with exchanges' outstanding velocity. This sort of innovation will go about as a significant power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, going about as an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system. Digibyte will get revolutionary change the cryptographic money market. Digibyte, let us question why. Without a doubt, Digibyte has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most appealing coins of the crypto market, chiefly for its local token, DGB, that guarantees high exchange security combined with speed. What is not yet clear is the way state-run administrations overall perceive the intrinsic worth of Digibyte at standard with other significant resources. No big surprise, the consistently dynamic group of qualified investigators and cryptographers are creating and keeping up with the digital money. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Digibyte tokens as impetuses in executing shrewd agreement and move reserves. The most important elements that push the cost of Digibyte are the exchange speed and reasonableness that empower speedier enhancements execution, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. Crypto resources are strong principally because of the element that they are not controlled or, besides, subject to any overseeing body. Consequently, they don't go under the domain of any prohibitive strategies or arrangements. Thus, Digibyte fans advocate that this stage is completely reliable. In the case of nothing else, individuals living in not really strong economies basically have the influence in their grasp. Essentially, they are in an ideal situation placing their well-deserved cash into DGB than a mulling stock or bonds. Our Digibyte cost forecast proposes the typical cost of one DGB coin would be 3 cents by July 2022. The greatest cost gain in the present moment is supposed to be 4 cents continuously and the drawn-out most exorbitant cost expected by Master DGB value forecast will reach 35 cents in the 5 years. The Digibyte cost is determined to reach 3 cents by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is 4 cents, least cost 3 cents. The Digibyte cost expectation predicts normal cost of Digibyte to be as 3 cents for the year's end. Digibyte could be a decent portfolio expansion for what's in store. The future cost of DGB coin is anticipated at a typical cost of 6 cents following a year as indicated by our forecast framework got from specialized investigation. Contrasted with what Digibyte was somewhat recently, it sounds modestly negative. Still, there is an expectation that the DGB cost may effortlessly swing around 4 cents. Cost forecast Digibyte by Tech News Pioneer uncovers the cost of 1 DGB could go to 3 cents in 1 year. The momentary Digibyte cost conjecture in view of specialized examination predicts the greatest cost of Digibyte to hit 6 cents. As per our Digibyte value expectation for 2022, the DGB cost can go as high as 4 cents, and it will merit a typical cost of 15 cents in 5 years. In view of the verifiable Digibyte cost input information, the Digibyte cost expectation framework extends that the cost of Digibyte is splendid. Also, toward the finish of 2022, the DGB cost may be around 6 cents with 156.46% change. Toward the finish of 2027, Digibyte might exchange around 16 cents with 554.91% change to current costs. An obstacle in the method of the flourishing of Digibyte digital currency is that it is greatly dependent on decentralized applications at which the cryptographic money costs are simply subject to digital currency market development and opinions of most recent news. Supported by an upgraded decentralized Accord and built-up network, DGB plans to offer a well-established benefit to its clients by dispersing its prizes system. Considering this kind of responsiveness, it wouldn't be an embellishment that the DGB could break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of 20 cents. with government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves following the pandemic. This could come as a relief for all Digibyte financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and yearnings to execute in DGB. According to Digibyte cost expectation, the slow yet consistent ascent in the DGB cost might not have won it the highest digital money grant. However, brilliant financial backers have figured out how to trust that this coin will perform and make all the difference for trade. All the more significantly, on the off chance that we investigate the new presentation of the last year, Digibyte has not just soared on the trade ascending to greatness. One unmistakable reality that arises toward the finish of the last year that the DGB coin is setting down deep roots, rise, fill in the business sectors in full blossom. In light of our momentary specialized examination, the qualities are as per the following. Resistance level 1 2 cents, resistance level 2 2 cents, resistance level 3 3 cents, support level 1 2 cents, support level 2 2 cents, support level 3 2 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market, Digibyte cost expectation figure that Digibyte is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Digibyte value. DGB expectation uncovers the coin across all obstructions, scaling at the greatest cost of 1 Digibyte to be 3 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2023. Digibyte has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the coin with acquiring a lot higher Digibyte cost of 3 cents. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the greatest cost of 1 Digibyte may try and see a worldview rush. Digibyte value forecast 2024. There are many DGB cost expectations going ahead for Digibyte, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the corporate has plans on. There are suspicions made by different DGB forecasts that the typical cost of 1 token might stretch around 4 cents. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The astonishing special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers collect the additions. Albeit the cryptographic money markets are totally flighty, it would maybe take a supernatural occurrence for Digibyte to expand its typical cost of Digibyte by that much in such a short measure of time. Thus, returning to the above DGB value forecast of around $0.045 and utilizing an expected absolute course of 15 billion coins, this would esteem the market cap of Digibyte project at $28 billion. Digibyte value expectation 2025. Digibyte is additionally dynamic in the piece of local area drives. Taking into account they keep up energy gathering huge outcome as far as market cap. Their drives zeroing in on training, effort, and developments might take them to a calculable level of another high of 5 cents. Our Digibyte cost expectation conjecture the typical cost of Digibyte will reach 5 cents mark by 2025. Digibyte value forecast 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn ideal, the Digibyte cost is set to break all